Hello, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to go over the difference of derivative property. The difference of derivative property states that if you take the derivative of a function, which is the difference of two terms or two functions, then the derivative of that particular function is going to be the, the derivative of each term and their difference. Okay, so taking the derivative of a function or an expression that has, like, that's the difference of two terms or two functions, u minus v, then the derivative of this is going to be the derivative of u, the first term or the first function, minus the derivative of v, which is the second term or the second function. So we're going to go ahead and apply this rule to this expression right here, where we have our expression is 2 over x to the fourth minus 2x squared. We want to take the derivative of this expression. So let's go ahead and simplify this and write it in this form. So we are going to separate each term and take its derivative, d over dx of 2 over x to the 4 minus d over dx of 2x squared. Okay, so I separated the terms and took their derivatives independently and took the difference of those two derivatives. Now let's go ahead and simplify it further. So this one we have an exponent in the bottom, so we can bring it in the numerator and change its sign. So we have 2 over x to the 4. We can bring the x to the fourth in numerator and we can write it as 2x to the minus 4. So this is going to be d over dx, 2 times x to the minus 4, or negative 4, minus d over dx of 2x squared. All right, now let's go ahead and simplify it further. So we have d over dx, 2x to the minus 4, minus d over dx. We have 2x to the second power. Okay, now we can pull the constants out of the derivative terms, so we can take 2 out from here and write it as 2 times d over dx of x to the negative 4, minus, we can pull the 2 out of here as well, d over dx, and there's a multiplication here, of x to the second power. Now we go ahead and take the derivative of inside right here by using the power rule of derivatives. So it's going to be 2 times this negative 4 comes to the front, multiplies, times x to the minus 4 minus 1. We subtract 1 from it, minus 2 times, here this 2 comes to the front, x to the 2 minus 1. So 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, x to the negative 5, and then negative 2 times 2 is 4, and this is x to the 1. And now we can again apply the exponent property. Here, if we have x to the negative 5, we can write it as 1 over x to the 5. They both are equal. So we have negative 8 over x to the 5 minus 4x. So this is our final answer for this problem.